Looking for a broker that combines speed, security, and serious trading power? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Pepperstone. From its trading platforms and account options to regulation, education, and more. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Pepperstone is a globally trusted online broker known for its razor-sharp spreads, lightning-fast execution, and a wide range of trading instruments. Founded in 2010 and regulated by multiple top-tier financial authorities, Pepperstone has earned a reputation for delivering institutional-grade trading conditions to retail traders worldwide. Whether you're interested in Forex, indices, commodities, shares, or crypto CFDs, Pepperstone offers over 1,200 trading instruments on industry-leading platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader. With no dealing desk interference, deep liquidity, and spreads starting from as low as 0.0 pips, Pepperstone is a go-to choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals looking for a reliable and regulated broker to elevate their trading game. Pepperstone provides a wide selection of over 1,200 CFD trading instruments, giving traders the flexibility to diversify across global markets. The broker offers access to more than 90 currency pairs, including majors like the Euro to US dollar and Great British Pound to US dollar, as well as exotics, making it a solid option for Forex enthusiasts. Traders can also explore a wide variety of stock indices, including the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, FTSE 100, and Germany's DAX, all with competitive spreads and no commissions. In the commodities space, Pepperstone covers everything from precious metals like gold and silver to energy products such as crude oil and natural gas, and even soft commodities like coffee and sugar. For those interested in digital assets, Pepperstone offers crypto CFDs on popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, all tradable without owning the underlying asset. Additionally, the platform features over 1,000 share CFDs from major exchanges in the US, UK, Germany, Australia, and Hong Kong, along with a variety of ETF CFDs. With fast execution, institutional-grade liquidity, and tailored leverage depending on the asset and region, Pepperstone equips traders with the tools and market access needed to build a truly dynamic trading portfolio. Pepperstone is a globally regulated broker licensed by top-tier authorities including the ASIC in Australia, the FSCA in the UK, ASIC, BaFin, DFSA, the CMA in Kenya, and the Securities Commission of the Bahamas. This strong regulatory footprint helps ensure client fund safety, transparency, and operational integrity. Traders benefit from safeguards like segregated client accounts, negative balance protection, and in some regions, access to compensation schemes, such as the FSCA in the UK. Even in areas where local regulations may not apply, Pepperstone maintains strict global compliance standards, giving clients confidence and peace of mind when trading. Their emphasis on security and compliance ensures traders can operate in a safe and transparent environment. Client funds are held in segregated accounts with top-tier banks, and the broker enforces strict anti-money laundering and know your customer protocols. The platform also offers negative balance protection and partners with the Financial Commission for independent dispute resolution, highlighting its commitment to client safety and responsible trading. Pepperstone does not offer traditional sign-up bonuses, however traders in eligible regions, including Africa, can benefit from several other rewards. One standout offering is a free TradingView Essential subscription, which is automatically granted to qualifying clients in regulated areas such as Africa, Europe, and the United Kingdom, giving access to powerful charting tools and a vibrant trader community. For traders with higher volumes, the Active Trader program delivers cash rebates and spread discounts based on monthly trading volumes. Profit from tiered rewards such as $1 to $3 per Forex lot, priority support, virtual private server hosting, and market insights depending on your level. Pepperstone also runs a Refer a Friend program, where retail clients can receive 20 commission-free trades when a referred friend signs up, makes a deposit, and trades eligible CFDs. For Pepperstone professional clients, both referrer and friend can earn significant cash bonuses, depending on the friend's deposit and trading volume within the first 90 days. The broker provides a flexible range of trading platforms designed to meet the needs of all types of traders. The industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms offer powerful charting tools, automated trading through expert advisors, and advanced order management. For traders looking for a modern interface with enhanced features, cTrader delivers deeper market data, customizable layouts, and supports algorithmic trading with C# programming. Additionally, Pepperstone integrates seamlessly with TradingView, giving access to world-class charting and a large community of traders, all connected directly to your account for live execution. Pepperstone's proprietary trading platform, launched in 2024, offers a streamlined and intuitive trading experience tailored especially for beginners or traders who prefer simplicity. With handy features like quick switch chart navigation, real-time streaming prices, and customizable watch lists, users can swiftly identify and act on trading opportunities. The platform displays live updates on instrument performance, covering spreads, margins, and market hours, so traders stay fully informed. It also supports demo trading, built-in technical indicators, and direct order management from the charts, all accessible via desktop, web, or mobile. Pepperstone's own platform delivers a clean, user-friendly interface, ideal for those looking for clarity and ease over complexity. All platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile, providing smooth, reliable trading anytime, anywhere, backed by fast execution and professional tools. Pepperstone offers two primary account types, designed to suit different trading preferences. The standard account is perfect for beginners or traders who prefer a straightforward pricing model. It features slightly wider spreads that include all fees, so there are no separate commissions on most trades, making it easier to manage costs. On the other hand, the Razor account is tailored for more active traders, scalpers, and professionals who want the tightest spreads possible, starting from 0.0 pips. This account charges a transparent, low commission per trade, allowing traders to benefit from raw pricing directly from liquidity providers. Both accounts provide access to a vast selection of markets, including Forex pairs, indices, commodities, shares, and ETFs, and are compatible with Pepperstone's full range of trading platforms. This flexibility ensures traders can pick the account that best fits their strategy and trading style, whether they prefer simplicity or ultra-competitive pricing. Pepperstone offers a tailored premium service designed for high-volume traders, both retail and professional clients. To qualify, traders will need to meet specific volume thresholds for 2 consecutive quarters. Eligible clients gain access to exclusive benefits including priority client support, advanced market insights, and access to the Active Trader program, which offers daily cash rebates and discounted commissions. Professional clients also enjoy bespoke services like a dedicated relationship manager, invitations to VIP events, and complimentary VPS hosting for automated trading. This comprehensive support aims to enhance the trading experience for those who meet the premium service criteria. Pepperstone also offers a swap-free account designed for traders who need to avoid interest due to religious reasons. This account removes overnight swap charges, but applies a small administration fee every 10 days a position remains open. The fees are transparent and calculated per standard lot, allowing traders to keep positions open without conflicting with their beliefs. The account features competitive spreads similar to the standard account, with no commissions on most trades. The availability varies by region, so traders should check with Pepperstone for full details. Additionally, Pepperstone's demo trading account lets traders practice in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. It replicates real market conditions, allowing beginners to learn, and experienced traders to test strategies without risking real money. Available on all of their platforms, the demo account helps users get familiar with the platforms and trading tools. While it mimics real trading, it doesn't capture the emotion of trading with real capital. However, it's a great way to build confidence before going live. creating an account with Pepperstone is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Trade Now button. Next, you'll want to create your account, submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, and create a password. After which, you will be redirected to the Pepperstone client area. Within their client area, you can create live or demo accounts, contact customer support, view their trading platforms, tools, and much more. The next step would be to verify your personal information if you are creating a live account. You will need to fill out the application process to get this started, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have chosen and created your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Pepperstone. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can browse through and switch between all of Pepperstone's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to either the MetaTrader trading platforms or any of the other platforms that Pepperstone provides, the broker offers a wide variety of helpful educational content for you to browse through to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Pepperstone offers a wide range of funding and withdrawal options to suit various traders' needs. Deposits can be made using methods such as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Neteller, Skrill, Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfers, and others. Withdrawals are processed during Australian business hours, with bank wire transfers typically taking 1 to 5 business days, and e-wallets like PayPal, Neteller, and Skrill usually completing within 2 business days. Traders can manage their funds securely through the Funds tab in their My Account area, where they can add or withdraw funds as needed. It's important to note that withdrawals must be returned to the same method used for deposits, and funds can only be returned to a bank account in the same name as the trading account due to third-party transaction regulations. Pepperstone offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools to support traders at every level. Their Learn to Trade hub features a range of resources, including beginner guides, advanced strategies, and expert market insights. Traders can access in-depth articles such as the Swing Trading for Beginners Guide, which covers technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and strategy development. Additionally, Pepperstone provides educational videos that delve into topics like margin and leverage, risk management, as well as videos that cover how to trade CFDs. For those interested in integrating AI into their trading, the platform offers guides on AI for market analysis and strategy development. With these resources, Pepperstone aims to empower traders to enhance their skills and make informed decisions in the dynamic world of trading. The broker also provides comprehensive market analysis to keep traders informed and ahead of the curve. Their market analysis hub offers expert commentary, high-impact economic event coverage, and insightful videos from seasoned analysts. Features include the Daily Fix, which is a daily roundup of market movements and key events, as well as Navigating Markets, which delves into current market trends and forecasts. Traders can also access The Trade-Off, which is a weekly debate on financial markets, providing diverse perspectives on market developments. Additionally, trading charts offer visual insights into market trends, aiding traders in technical analysis. These resources are designed to support traders in making informed decisions and navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Pepperstone's commitment to excellence has been recognized globally through numerous prestigious awards. In 2025, the broker was honored with the Best Overall Broker, the Best MetaTrader 4 Broker, as well as the Best Broker for Forex at the Compare Forex Broker Awards. Additionally, Pepperstone received the Best Forex Trading Platform accolade at the ADVFN International Financial Awards in 2025. These recognitions underscore Pepperstone's dedication to providing top-tier trading conditions, innovative platforms, and exceptional customer service. The broker's consistent performance in the industry reflects its commitment to meeting the diverse needs of traders worldwide. Overall, Pepperstone is a highly reputable, globally regulated broker that has built a strong reputation since its founding in 2010 in Melbourne, Australia. Serving over 750,000 traders worldwide, it offers a comprehensive trading experience through a broad selection of markets. Pepperstone is known for its tight spreads, fast execution, and access to advanced platforms, catering to traders of all skill levels. The broker's strong regulatory framework ensures a secure and transparent trading environment, and they also support various account types, including swap-free Islamic accounts and premium services for high-volume traders. On top of that, traders benefit from flexible funding options, excellent educational resources, and responsive customer support. Recognized with numerous industry awards for its technology and customer service, Pepperstone continues to innovate and provide the tools traders need to succeed. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader seeking advanced features and competitive pricing, Pepperstone offers a reliable, user-friendly platform to grow your trading potential. And that is our overview of Pepperstone. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.